Kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to start database management system. First, what is database? A database is a collection of related data from which user can efficiently retrieve the desired information, or we can say the information we have recorded can be easily get back, like your notebook or attendance register which your teacher used. In attendance register, all the information about students like how many days he was present are recorded, and when we want we can retrieve it. Next one is database management system. In short, we can say DBMS. DBMS is a collection of programs that enables user to create, maintain database and control all the access to the database, or we can say that it is a electronically saved data. Some popular database management system or DBMS are Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle DB, IBM DB2, and so on. Now see the main concept of DBMS. First one, specification of data type structure. Second one, storing the data and manipulating it as required. Third one, querying the data to retrieve data as required. Fourth one, updating the content of database. Now see the need for database management system. Today we can easily retrieve or store information, or we can update information when we want. Now we can see advantages of DBMS. First one is ability to update and retrieve data. Second one is support concurrent update. In this, multiple user can update database simultaneously. Third one is recovery of data. When we want, we can recover our data. Next is security to prevent unauthorized access to database. Next, data integrity. Data integrity is a set of rules to see that incorrect data is not stored. Next, control data redundancy. During data design, various files, each logical data item is stored at central location. This can remove replicating the data item. Next is data sharing. The data stored in a database can be shared among the multiple users or applications. Now see ease of application development. In this, application programmer needs to develop the application program according to the user's need. Next topic is application area of database system. We can use database system in many fields like travel industry, such as airlines, railways, hotels, and cabs industry. Second, banking and finance, online trading, customer account, loan, and other transactions. Next is education in schools and colleges for registration, result, and other information. Next is e-commerce, such as online shopping and consulting a doctor. Next point is healthcare industry in digital libraries and publishing in human resources also. Thank you.